have tried different trackable devices for wallets, but this one seems to fix everything I didn't like in the other ones. The company sent me this wallet, and when I saw what it looked like, I couldn't wait to give it a go. The packaging is well done. This is nice and presentable and could be gifted to someone as well. This is for men or women. I would use it myself, and my husband's already called dibs. You could easily fit 10 cards into this wallet, probably even more because there seems to be more room. I have about $140 over here in 20s, so I folded that and put it in, and it doesn't even have a bulge. It still feels like I could add more. Now the wallet also has this pocket in the front. I really like that pocket for hotel key holders, especially if you travel a lot. It slides in easily and you could quickly grab it when on travels. You could also add a key to the wallet, which might be helpful since it will be all trackable then. Or you could just attach it to your belt loops on your pants or just stick it into your purse. So now let's talk about charging. This is MagSafe, and if you have a MagSafe charger, all you have to do is place it on it. You'll see that light come on and you'll know it's charging. This lasts up to 4 months on a single charge. In order to connect it to your phone, you go to the Find My app, click on items, and add this to the list. Once you do that, it's findable through Bluetooth and will tell you the exact location. It's just that simple and effective. Wallets always get lost in our house, so this is such a useful product.